We live in a connected world, and one of the ways we stay connected is via a USB port. Various Kia vehicles come equipped with USB ports, but not all USB ports are the same. Some can be used to stream music, while others are used to power and charge devices. Let's take a closer look. The Multimedia USB port is quite versatile. It allows you to stream music to your Kia when you have connected a compatible device. It can be used to support data transfer of information for updates. And it also connects your smartphone to your Kia via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The USB charge ports are used to recharge devices using a USB cable. The Start-Stop button needs to be in the accessory or on position to operate the USB charge ports. The USB charge ports typically charge faster than the Multimedia USB port. Ensure when you're connecting the port, you check the USB connector orientation for proper connection. In addition, most Kia models include a power outlet to provide power for mobile phones and other devices that operate from a 12-volt power outlet. Kia also recommends that you use the cables provided by the manufacturer of your device, as third-party cables may cause damage. The location of the USB ports varies based on the vehicle. The Multimedia USB port is typically in or directly above the center console. USB charge ports can be in the center console, inside the center console storage, and they can also be located in the second row seats or rear console, as well as in the rear of the vehicle. Owning a Kia is all about convenience and connectivity, and thanks to these multimedia USB ports and power ports, Kia's got you covered. For additional information on USB ports, please refer to the Features and Functions Guide for your vehicle or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.